So here's our rain now. Don't know if you can hear it. It's come down pretty good. It's passing a little bit to the south of us. I found that a little disappointing. I was hoping that it would just dump on my head. But we got some good thunder boomers happening. That's lovely. Well, we've really been blessed with a lot of rain here in the last little while. It's turned the hills really green. I don't know if you can tell back there how green it is. All the way, just emerald. Instead of this time of year, typically it's pretty browned out. And we're getting some nice wildflowers from it, which is a bonus. So anyway, I just wanted to share my rainstorm with you and tell you that I love you very much and hope I get to see you soon. Bye-bye.